Hey guys, my name is Adam Rhein. Welcome to the smithy. Today I'm going to be forging this, or something similar to it. Let's see if I can get it pretty close to it. My brother sent me this design a couple of years ago and I just haven't gotten to it. So today is the day and we're going to make us a throwing knife and probably throw it at some things. So yeah. So I finally got the rough shape forged out. That was way more work than I thought it was going to be. But it turns out to be kind of cool. So let's get grinding. Alright guys, so here is the finished grind on this throwing knife. I'm pretty excited about it actually. I've got a couple of things to throw it at. My brother was very, very insistent that there be paracord in the loop. I guess it's like a tail or fletchings, maybe similar to like a foxtail or something. Well, let's see. And he wanted them to be 2 feet long, so that's about 2 foot. I got a pallet set up. I got the knife. Let's see if I can't hit it. So I'm finding it slinging it by the tail doesn't seem to work. So I'm just gonna pull these guys off, see if I can't throw it like a regular throwing knife with no spin, you know, just zoink it in. Yeah, that would sting. Yikes! So it works better without the tails on it. It's so front heavy that it impacts with quite some force. So I'm actually pretty pleased with it. I think it's pretty solid. My brother sent me this picture a long time ago to scale, and so I figured I'd make it. I ended up failing him. I made it too long and I made the head not quite right, but it's close enough, I think, for testing purposes. I like it. I think it's too heavy though, and I think I'll be testing some other ancient designs that are tried and true and seeing the differences. This thing is a super short range. If you threw this thing more than 20 feet, unless you're a champion axe thrower, you'd have real trouble. Under 15 feet, it zoinks right into the target. So, very cool. I gotta give credit to my brother for the design, and yeah. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like and consider subscribing to the channel.